How to add fonts to GoDaddy Website Builder. Want to give your website a unique look with custom fonts? GoDaddy Website Builder allows you to change fonts easily to match your brand's style. And here's how you can do it. First of all, log into your account and go to the dashboard. This is exactly how your dashboard look like. Once you're in the dashboard, go to website, which is your third option. Tap on it, then scroll down and tap on edit website, which is over here. That will take you to the edit site section, and this is how it look like. Now on your edit site, you can see an option for the theme, which is right over here. Tap on it, and only thing you can see an option for the font. Simply tap on it. So right now the theme we are using is Helvetica. Over here, GoDaddy provides a selection of a pre-loaded font style, so you can see it over here. Now choose the font that best fits your website look. As you select different fonts, the preview updates in real time, so you can see how it will appear before applying it. Let's explore them. So this is how the chunk 5 look like. Let's see the chunk 5. I do like this one because it clearly shows what it's writing on my website. I found my suitable font. What about you? Did you find it? And if you found it and you are satisfied with it, tap on publish, which is over here. For your information, currently GoDaddy Website Builder doesn't support updating the custom fonts, so let's view the site. And this is how it looks like right now. Now your website has a fresh new look with the chosen fonts. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.